Hello, design aspirants. So, myself, Rekha Kejriwal, your design mentor and career coach. Today, we will discuss in detail about NIFT situation test and what is it all about. मेरे last video में I gave some precise information regarding situation test, but today we will actually discuss what is it all about, what is the weightage, how to prepare, what kind of questions will be asked, how to score maximum, is it difficult to work within the time limit, and then is it difficult, actually difficult to handle situation test. इन सभी बातों को आज हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे और जानेंगे कि निफ्ट सिचुएशन टेस्ट एक्चुअली है क्या और हमें कैसी स्ट्रैटेजी अपनानी चाहिए सो दैट वी कैन हैंडल सिचुएशन टेस्ट conveniently. What is it all about? Actually, it is all about material handling. आपको अलग अलग तरह के मटेरियल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पेपर्स, कार्ट्रिज शीट, पेस्टल शीट, color sheets, crepe papers, cardboards, corrugated sheets, so different kind of paper material. Then in paper material को use करके you have to create 3D objects and then in paper material के साथ additionally क्या? So there are a lot of material which we see in our surrounding areas. For example, ice cream sticks, kulfi sticks, then different kind of threads. वो nylon हो सकता है, वो jute हो सकता है, वो cotton हो सकता है. Then you can also be provided with wires. Then there can be rubber bands, there can be U-clips, there can be some additional kind of packing papers. देन दी क्लॉथ पेपर जो हम डेली वेयर में जो हम डेली यूज में जिनमें हम रोजमर्रा की चीजें कैरी करते हैं, है ना. दे आर नॉट प्लास्टिक बैग्स बट दे आर क्लॉथ पेपर बैग्स. So such kind of materials are given to you. It will be provided on a table once you go for the situation test. So material manipulation. अब यहाँ प्रॉब्लम क्या है, ये जज किया जाता है कि आप मटेरियल को कैसे हैंडल कर सकते हो. Now, for example, if it is paper, are you aware of the dimension of the paper? Do you know what tools will be working on paper? How you will be able to cut them? With what pasting material you will be able to paste them? And what are the convenient ways of pasting it? बेटा सीखना यही है, प्रैक्टिस यही करनी है. So material. Suppose I know that straw nowadays it is banned, they are plastic ones, but even if they give any material which is made up of plastic, so it can be the cover of a bottle or a small disposable bottle, it can be a plastic sheet, or deliberately they give you some plastic straws, so that they again need to evaluate that how do you use these material and for what purpose. अब straw है, so you cannot पेस्ट इट. स्ट्रॉ को आप ग्लू से पेस्ट नहीं कर सकते. सो हाउ विल यू यूज स्ट्रॉ, हाउ विल यू मेक इट स्टेबल, और what kind of design you will create with straw in your working model, so that you need to show. Planning and its execution. Question आया आपको that you are supposed to design an entrance door for marriage ceremony. So your planning and execution. Marriage के लिए door. Marriage shows a kind of vibrancy. It shows a combination of different cultures, है ना. यहाँ पर आप बहुत तरह के डिजाइन एलिमेंट्स दिखा सकते हो. मे बी विच इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कल्चर ऑफ इंडिया विच कैन इंक्लूड अ लॉट ऑफ डेकोरेटिव मोटिव्स, curves, है ना. And there can be amalgamation from the west, and you also want to show that yes, now you have become modern and you are you have a liking for geometrical patterns, तो आप इसका blend दिखा सकते हो. फिर मैरिज क्या है, मैरिज जो है दो अलग लोगों का एक होना है. सो मे बी योर कंप्लीट आइडिया इज इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम हार्ट or depends on what is given in the question. So how you plan. Now suppose there is a puppet, you need to design a puppet on water conservation. फिर से क्या करेंगे, puppet, puppet तो एक लिविंग स्ट्रक्चर काइंड ऑफ हो सकता है, वेयर यू नीड टू शो मूवमेंट. सो हाउ विल यू शो द मूवमेंट, हाउ विल यू रिलेट इट टू द सब्जेक्ट विच इज गिवन. नो फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाटर कंजर्वेशन है तो क्या करूं, ड्रॉप शेप का कुछ बना दूं, मैं बकेट इंक्लूड करूं, मैं अम्ब्रेला इंक्लूड करूं, मैं बारिश इंक्लूड करूं, मैं वाटर वेव्स इंक्लूड करूं. So that's what you need to think. So idea generation is very important. और वो idea generation, now you just don't have to draw, you need to create a 3D model out of it. So how you plan and execute it. Then yes, time management. I cannot afford to think complicated during the situation test. क्योंकि material handle करना है तो आप ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोच सकते जो आपसे 2 घंटे में हैंडल ही ना हो. 2 घंटे में यू हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चन, यू नीड टू प्लान, you need to create a layout, and then you need to create that thing with your cutting pasting, and you also need to save last 10 to 15 minutes for final touch up and the write up. So time management very important. So without practice it is not possible that you are thinking simple and execute it. Then effective utilization of given resources. आपको जितने मटेरियल मिले हैं आप उन मटेरियल को अपने मॉडल में कैसे इंक्लूड कर पा रहे हो. मैं अपनी क्लासेस में हमेशा एक बात बोलती हूँ, that you don't fight to use the quantity of all the material. Always just try to use the variety of material as per the requirement of question. Don't struggle to use the complete quantity. So this is something very important. I'll tell you about the write-up, but let's see what else I have to tell you. So you are not aware of your actual marks, है ना. अभी आपने GAT CAT दिया, आपको एक्चुअली क्या मार्क्स आए आपको नहीं पता. आपको सिर्फ ये पता है कि आप कट ऑफ से शायद ऊपर हो. कितने ऊपर? नो. सो यू कैनॉट टेक एनी चांस एंड यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड सो दैट मैक्सिमम कैन बी एडेड आउट ऑफ 20 टू योर प्रीवियस स्कोर. सो फिर से प्लान योर स्ट्रैटेजी, practice hard so that you perform well during the actual exam, and do not make compromises and comparisons. है ना, हाँ ठीक है अभी नहीं हो रहा, एग्जाम में कर लेंगे, उसका अच्छा हो रहा है मुझसे तो अच्छा हो ही नहीं रहा. ऐसी कुछ बातें होती हैं जो बच्चों को परेशान करती है. सो इट्स बेटर दैट डोंट फोकस ऑन दिस. अरे क्या होगा, आज नहीं होगा कल हो जाएगा, राइट. बट वो कल होगा कैसे? You have to keep on working and you have to keep on observing. You need to keep on working on suggestions which are given to you. I hope you are understanding that what we are supposed to do. I am taking classes from several number of years, so there are certain myths where I can observe that students do not perform if they believe on these myths. आपने कहावत सुनी होगी, practice makes a man perfect. So practice is the most important part at this moment of time. Recording helps in the idea generation, but do not forget that you have to crack an entrance. So working effectively within the time limit is very important. क्या होता है जब हम बहुत सारे आइडियाज को देखते हैं, हमें ऐसा लगता है यस हम कर लेंगे, हमारे से हो जाएगा. बट बेटा स्टेशनरीज है, टूल्स है, जब तक आप प्रैक्टिकली स्टेशनरी एंड टूल्स को मिलाकर अपनी स्किल को एग्जामिन नहीं करोगे, यू वोंट बी एबल टू अचीव अ रिक्वायर्ड रिजल्ट. तो यस, सिजर्स उठाओ, कट करो, पेपर कटर उठाओ, देखो आपसे कैसा कट हो रहा है, पेस्ट करो. आई हैव सीन बच्चे फेविकॉल यूज करते हैं, फेविकॉल बाहर निकल जाती है ना, सराउंडिंग डर्टी हो जाता है. देन बच्चे हमेशा एक बात बोलते हैं कि मैम पता है जैसा सोचा था वैसा बना नहीं. क्यों नहीं बना? क्योंकि आपने अपने आइडिया जनरेशन पर बार बार काम नहीं किया. प्रैक्टिकल चीज है बेटा, जब तक बार बार आप कटिंग पेस्टिंग नहीं करोगे आपसे डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट बाहर नहीं आएगा. सो बेसिस ऑफ जजमेंट, आपके मॉडल को जज कैसे करेंगे? 2 घंटे के लिए एडमिट कार्ड में जो निफ्ट का सेंटर मेंशन है आप वहां जाओगे, और याद रखना पिछला एडमिट कार्ड बहुत जरूरी है. आई होप आप सभी ने अपना पिछला एडमिट कार्ड संभाल कर रखा होगा. ठीक है, तो आपके एडमिट कार्ड में जो निफ्ट का सेंटर मेंशन है, आप वहां एग्जाम देने जाओगे, जनरली ऐसा होता है कि यू हैव टू सिट और स्टैंड round the table and your material kit is kept there. You have the question paper and then you need to work. अब बात आती है, what is the basis of judgment? कैसे जज करेंगे कि आपने अच्छा बनाया या नहीं बनाया? Your innovative theme, आपका आइडिया जनरेशन वाज गुड और नॉट, the aesthetic appeal of your model, your model had an aesthetic beautiful presentation appeal or not, then creative and clever manipulation of given resources, जैसा कि मैंने बताया, never struggle to use the quantity but yes always creatively use the different variety of material, right? Plan of action and your adherence. So generally while doing the write up, क्या होता है, आपका जो एक प्लान स्ट्रैटेजी है दैट इज ऑल्सो ड्रॉन देयर, कि आपने क्या प्लान किया, तो उस प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग वो मॉडल, एक ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी होती है, दे मैच, कि you are going to become a designer, so do you believe in planning or not, and whatever you have planned, your model is similar to your plan or not. ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड विजुअलाइजेशन, जैसे कि अभी और एग्जाम्पल से मैं बताऊंगी. नो फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टू डिजाइन an office organizer. So if you're designing an office organizer, what is your observation? Office organizer compact है, sleek है, what all stationaries you can keep, what kind of functionality it is showing, इसकी यूटिलिटी, यूजर इसे ठीक से यूज कर सकता है या नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि वो स्टेबल नहीं है, राइट? सो दिस इज योर विजुअलाइजेशन एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन. यू नीड टू चेक कि आपके स्टडी टेबल पर, आपके ऑफिस टेबल पर जो ऑफिस ऑर्गेनाइजर रखा है उससे रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, ठीक है, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. सो यू ऑलवेज हैव टू कीप योर आईज open. All right. I have also seen there are a lot of categories of question that I will tell you, but still I'm just giving you a few more example. If you are going to design an award or trophy, then again you need to check what is the structure of that award. Is it looking good or not? Is it simplified or minimalistic, or it is overdone? What kind of color and pattern you are using? And how it can be, hold. अगर एक विनर या रिसीवर उसे होल्ड कर रहा है, so what kind of elegance it is going to show while in hand, है ना? अवार्ड ऐसी चीज होती है जो लोगों का अटेंशन सीक करती है, and it's a dream that you receive or you get some award, and then yes you also dream कि इस award को हम लंबे समय तक रखें because that shows your achievement. तो आपका पूरा जो डिजाइन है that is looking little, equal to that achievement or not. It cannot be complicated, it cannot be overdone, it cannot be showing too many colors. ठीक है? Yes. And then write up. Write up is again very important क्योंकि 20 मार्क्स में approximately 5 मार्क्स जो है आपके राइट अप में जाते हैं. सो हाउ यू एक्सप्लेन, डिजाइनर बनना है, सो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आर ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो वॉट एवर यू हैव डिजाइन थ्रू योर राइट अप, हाउ यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग इट, है ना, हाउ इट इज connected to fundamentals of design, how it is connected to the question, what is the utility, what is the overall aesthetic appeal, is it functional, depends on the question. So you can add, is there any color concept, is there any specific use of the material? So using these points you can compile a good write-up. What all you need to carry? Generally NIFT के admit card में mention होता है that you need to carry certain stationaries, और इन stationaries में normal stationaries, pencil, eraser, sharpener, ruler, scale, pair of scissors, glue, tape roll, है ना. इसके अलावा अगर कोई pin या clip लेकर जानी है तो that would be mentioned. So always stick to the mentioned requirement and don't try carrying anything additional. जैसे बच्चे पूछते हैं डबल साइडेड टेप ले जाए क्या? नो. बच्चे पूछते हैं डिजाइनर सिजर्स ले जाए क्या, पंचिंग मशीन्स ले जाए क्या? सो द आंसर इज नो. Sometimes they also say that you are not going to carry a compass. So yes, if the material is written, so don't force yourself to carry additional stationaries. Just carry whatever is written, and these are certain basic stationaries. चलो, हमने बहुत सारी बातें कर ली. अब हम देखते हैं कि टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन, किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए. तो अगर मैं लास्ट 15 ईयर के क्वेश्चन पैटर्न पर एक नजर डालती हूँ, सो आई हैव जस्ट प्रिपेयर्ड स्मॉल पॉइंटर्स दैट किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस निफ्ट में आज तक पूछे गए हैं. बट डेफिनेटली एवरी ईयर वी सी सम ऑफ द अदर चेंजेस, बट इन कैटेगरीज को अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो सबसे अच्छी बात होती है दैट एवरी ईयर स्टूडेंट्स से दैट यस, हमने ये क्वेश्चन क्लास में किया था. तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात लगती है कि जब आप क्लास करते हो और कोई सिमिलर क्वेश्चन आपसे एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है एंड यू हैप्पीली सॉल्व इट, सो दैट एड्स टू योर मार्क्स. सो टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, अगर मैं इसको डिवाइड करूं तो यू हैव thematic question. So you have to create something on movement, circus, piece. So possibly you have to create a 3D model on some given themes. Then there are product based question. Okay, product based questions. So possibly you may have to design a chair, okay, office organizer, coffee table, toys. Okay, so product based question where the complete design and utility will play a major role. Then it can be utility tool for professional, जो कि फिर से product based है. मतलब for example you need to design a diary for a fashion designer. कैसे डिजाइन करोगे डायरी फॉर अ फैशन डिजाइनर? कुछ टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस मैं बस समझा रही हूं. एम्बियंस एंड रेप्लिकास, है ना, एम्बियंस एंड रेप्लिकास, जैसे कि मैंने अभी प्रीवियसली डिस्कस किया, एंट्रेंस डोर फॉर मैरिज सेरेमनी. ठीक है, रेप्लिकास, रेप्लिकास में वी हैव सीन नर्सरी, स्कूल, क्लासरूम. कैसे बनाओगे रेप्लिका? ठीक है, हॉस्पिटल का रेप्लिका. ठीक है, योगा क्लिनिक का रेप्लिका. कैसे बताओगे, कैसे दिखाओगे कि ये योगा क्लिनिक या हॉस्पिटल का एक वो कमरा, आई मीन वो हॉस्पिटल में वो कमरा जहां नर्स पेशेंट को कैसा सर्व करती है, नर्सरी स्कूल के क्लासरूम कैसे दिखते हैं. सो दीज आर एम्बियंस एंड रेप्लिकास. देयर कैन बी मेनी मोर, दीज आर जस्ट फ्यू एग्जाम्पल. हम लास्ट 15 ईयर्स की बात कर रहे हैं. सो यू हैव अ कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन बैंक. Lifestyle accessories. Lifestyle accessories में we have seen designing of purse, designing of hats, designing of jewelries, designing of footwears. ठीक है, तो ये हमारी lifestyle accessories. Then characters, puppets and mascots. Very important. NIFT asks you to design characters, puppets on water conservation, women empowerment, है ना, favorite cartoon characters, mascot for promoting people to vote. ठीक है, mascot for sports event. तो ऐसे questions देखे जाते हैं. Then there are trophies, mementos and souvenirs. There is one more category here which I have not written, but that is again a product based thing. So now you also have to design futuristic object or some object for some specific professionals. मतलब for example आप बताइए, अगर एस्ट्रोनॉट के लिए आपको कोई वाटर बॉटल बनानी है तो आप उसे कैसे डिजाइन करोगे, right? So such kind of questions are also seen in the examination. So type of question, It may sound easy, but my dear students, it's really challenging that what points you will include in the final design so that it is serving the demand of the question. As a faculty, I am telling you, this is the most challenging part. और ये challenge आप कब ले सकते हो? जब आप properly you know how to plan your idea and how to execute it with the given set of material, that too within the time limit. Then write up, I already discussed, but still once again. So write up, what is your inspiration, concept, koi color ka idea, specific use of any material, then aesthetic appeal, your model is sleek, presentation, firm, neat, such kind of word can be included in the write-up. And yes, that would be very great if you can include something from elements and principles of design in your write-up. Generally write-up जो है वो 50 to 100 words के होते हैं. So don't just try to exaggerate. Write all the important words, and it is always advisable that you underline the important words in the write-up so that it catches attention. So yes, AFA, of course, we serve students with all the guidance of do's, don'ts, how to use the material, how to think out of the box. Okay, then we make sure that you are making material model in front of us. We keep on helping students with the idea generation and material manipulation. बेटा क्लास वो नहीं होती जहां हम आपको दिखाएंगे सी दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू कॉपी दी मटेरियल. क्लास वो होती है जब क्लास में सभी बच्चे अपने अपने आइडिया को प्रेजेंट करते हैं एंड वी हेल्प देम दैट हाउ वेल डिफाइंड योर आइडिया इज एंड देन वी हेल्प देम that how to use the given set of material in making your model. And then after making we make a note कि first day आपको कितना समय लगा, आपकी execution neat हुई या नहीं, आपको किस तरह की problem आई. So next day we work on your problem areas so that you execute properly. So you can see this is the set of question paper. This is how इस तरह के क्वेश्चन पेपर आपको एग्जाम में दिए जाते हैं, वेयर क्वेश्चन, मटेरियल and marking scheme, everything is written. Generally you are not supposed to write your name anywhere. You just include your roll number and then you submit your paper. These are certain important links on Instagram where you can see that how in the previous classes students created the model, वो model कैसे दिखते हैं, and yes, very proudly they are shortlisted for NIF. So yes, you can take them as guideline and start working on yourself, maybe to design something better. So some good examples I would like to show. As I said, entrance door for marriage ceremony. So you can see how the colors are used, what kind of motifs are used, and whether this can be used as entrance door for marriage ceremony or any kind of cultural event. So see, it looks simple, but while creating, thinking, reading the question, thinking, planning, that takes a lot of time. And within 2 hours, completing this is, if work, I mean, it is good. That means you are going on a right track. You can see a chair inspired from a musical instrument. So you can see the use of toothpick, different kind of paper, and what kind of structure is created for this chair. And you will feel that yes, it is inspired from drum and we can actually use it. Look at this mascot. So this student of mine, now she's a NIFT graduate and she's placed abroad. So I really love this example, and every year I show this example to number of students. So she designed a puppet, category puppet and mascot. So she designed a mascot to save water. So this is the fish. So it's a complete 3D. Here you can see a 2D picture, but it was a 3D puppet. So where a fish, you can see how beautifully these fins are created. कितना खूबसूरत use है इस thumbpin का. है ना. Then see the use of red paper to create such a beautiful expression. This was a newspaper sheet to create the details of this fish. Then ये जो black outline आप देख रहे हो, आपको पता है ये thread है. So this is thread. And then this was the cloth paper जिसके अंदर cotton को fill करके she created a 3D drop. So fish is saying every drop is beautiful. So that time we also got quilling sheets. So ye quilling sheet से she tried creating the waves of water. So overall very nice color contrast and combination and to the point answer. So yes, if you're working like this, you are going on the right track, but of course you can always work better. Now this child, right now he is studying in NID Kurukshetra. So here again he designed a mascot on eradication of nuclear power. By the way, he cleared NIFT and NID both, so he chose to take admission in NID. So this is the mascot on eradication of nuclear power. So you can see the layout. So that child was very good in the planning, right? So you can see how the work is planned. So you can see rocket made out of paper. Okay? Look at the use of ribbon. है ना, see how the movement is created by joining two paper and attaching it with thumb pin. Look at this expression, mustache wala expression with cotton, है ना. So it is exactly matching with the layout and see this model, right? So yes, it's worth appreciating. Now you can see again some souvenirs and mementos. So you can see this was designed for the favorite teacher. Then this was also designed to eradicate poverty. You can see no hunger. Generally, writing is not allowed on the work models. So never try to write or paint your model. But because newspaper was given, so these words were cut out and they were pasted. And this is again a souvenir, or you can say memento for the health worker. So you can see such a beautiful sleek use of wire. Then again some souvenirs and mementos. You can see the example. I know you'll say why these shortlisted colors, but as I told you, if you get the material, so you have your choice. So you can work, I mean you can shortlist something and then you can create your model. So best teacher, generally creative teachers सभी बच्चों को अच्छे लगते हैं. So this was for the art teacher, this was for the favorite teacher with trees, books, pen, है ना, and this was for the craft person. Now, workplace of different professionals. So you can see this is the workplace for a fashion designer. Theme-based model, movement. So you can see a flower and butterfly. So butterfly always shows this movement. So look at the kind of base, look at the use of cotton, thread. These are thermocol balls, and again see the use of thread and the given set of paper. See how neatly and simply the paper was curved and turned into the structure of a flower. So you don't have to do a flower making course here. You just need to keep on experimenting. कि भाई given paper है, आप देखो, these are very normal planned equal cuts, and then the paper is squilled back to create a flower. Then again theme based model. So this is circus. I hope we know clowns, है ना, circus के clowns. Their professional attitude is always to smile and make people smile, even if the inner self is sad. So this theme was taken and the theme circus was well presented. Now this is again movement. So this is shown with communication. That communication, through communication, है ना, जितने भी हमारे means of communication है, इस means of communication से how we are connected with the rest of the world. Again something very simple but very to the point. So again you can see a theme-based model on circus. So hope you are aware now. Do not compromise your efforts at any cost. And yes, beat the heat of competition. And now again, if you really need to practice hard, Don't just keep on watching the videos. These videos, they just make you aware of the actual entrance examination. But जब तक आप actual practice नहीं करोगे, you won't get that kind of skill and the kind of execution which NIFT is expecting from its upcoming batch. So work hard and add maximum to your score. So I hope the video was very helpful. And if you are looking for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.